Have a nice day, everyone. I will continue the subject jet engine propulsion theory. This is part 3. Newton's law. Newton's law of motion. The first law, Newton's first law of motion, says that a body at rest tends to remain at rest, and a body in motion tends to remain in motion. Okay? We get some examples here. Ask yourself why you are wearing a seat belt in a car while driving. This is an example. So, if you make sudden brake, your body will go forward. So, the seat belt save you. Okay? Okay? This is the seat belt in the car. And this is the seat belt in the aircraft. Remember, if you are a passenger in a trip, remember the attendant call before takeoff and before landing. They said, the passenger please take their seats. Please, all passengers take their seats. Then, please make the seat backs in the upright position. Then, safety belt must be fastened. This is 3 points the attendants call the passenger. Why all that? To save you for a sudden acceleration or sudden deceleration. So this is the first law of motion. The second law states that force is proportional to the product of mass and acceleration. So mass multiply acceleration, you will get force. Okay? This is direct proportional. Example in the small example here. This is a bicycle and you on it. The mass here, the mass of the man and the cycle and the bicycle. So 2 masses here added together. Where is the force here? Here. This is the pedals. You must press on the pedals to turn this gear and this gear to move this wheel and this go to forward. So if you press the pedals, you will accelerate the bicycle to forward. Now, what about in the aircraft here? The aircraft here, if you want to make acceleration, you want thrust to move the aircraft forward. How to? Here, this is the thrust levers. This is thrust lever for this is 2 engines only. Engine 1, engine 2 here. If you want to make thrust greater, you will push it forward to idle, then forward until take off. there is here some calculation here for flexible takeoff, so and so. This is not my subject now. Just I want to tell you this is the thrust lever. Go forward, push forward to make acceleration to get the thrust. Sorry. So the force equal mass multiplied by the acceleration. The third law. The third law says that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. This is a simple example here. If you fill this balloon by air and then lift this here, the air go down and the balloon go up. If horizontally, the same thing. If the air come here, the balloon will go to the opposite direction. In aircraft, here, this is if the force of the thrust go to forward, go to backward, so here reaction go to forward. This is the three laws of motion for Newton. The next video, we will calculate how to calculate thrust of the engine at rest, or to say at test cell. This is the next video. Thank you very much and goodbye.